Hello students, let's start with the first question from ratio and proportion, expressing the given ratios in simplest form. The first question is 20 is to 35. The common factor that divides both the numerator and denominator is 5. So we divide the numerator and the denominator by 5 and we get 5 fours are 20, 5 sevens are 35. So the ratio is expressed in simplest form and the answer for 20 is to 35 in simplest form is 4 is to 7. Okay, let's go to the next sum wherein the question is 95 is to 57. Sometimes we do have a difficulty to identify the common factor. We can do it by the division method of finding the highest common factor which divides 95 and 57. So we take the second number, the denominator, and we divide. So for 57 ones are 57, 8, 38. We bring in the divisor back again. 38 ones are 38. We get 19 and we bring in the previous divisor 38. So 19 twos are 38. So the highest common factor which divides both the number is 19. So it becomes a lot more easier if you are unable to find the common factor that divides the given numbers. So 95 by 57, when you divide by 19, both the numerator and the denominator, the answer that we get is 5 by 3. So the ratio in simplest form is 5 is to 3. I hope it's clear. So whenever you're unable to find a common factor that divides both the number, you can find it through the long division method of finding highest common factor. 2.1 is to 1.2. If you have a problem in dealing with decimals, the first step that we can do is remove the decimals. So for the numerator and the denominator, there's one decimal place. So we need to remove that one decimal place. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10. So we get 21 by 12. Now that the decimal has been removed, the next step that we are going to do is reducing to lowest terms. So the common factor for both 21 and 12 is very easy. It's 3. So we divide the numerator and the denominator by 3. So we get 3 sevens are 21 and 3 fours are 12. So ratio in simplest form is 7 is to 4. The next question that we have is 3 1 upon 4 is to 6 1 upon 2. So whenever we have it in mixed fractions, the first step that we're supposed to do is convert them into improper fractions. So we have 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 13 upon 4 is as 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13 upon 2. So now we know you can write this in the A by B format. So 13 by 2. Now, the denominator gets reciprocated. So what is the result? So we have 13 by 4 into 2 upon 13. So the denominator, the fraction of the denominator gets reciprocated and we get 2 upon 13. So now we do the cancellation. We have 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we have 1 is to 2. So the ratio in simplest form for the above question is 1 is to 2. Now going on to the fifth sum, 6a is to 9b. Here, if you look at the ratio, it has variables a and b. Variables are different. We are going to concentrate on reducing only the constant term. So what is the common factor that divides both the numerator and denominator? It is very simple. It's 3. So when you divide the numerator and denominator with 3, you get 2a by 3b. So the ratio in simplest form is 2a is to 3b. The last sum in the first question we have is 8ab squared is to 6a squared b. Okay, look, the terms are different. One is ab squared and the other is a squared b. Now, what are we supposed to do? So 8ab squared divided by 6a squared b. Okay, the common factor that divides both the numerator and the denominator, we all know it is 2. So you can reduce it here. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now, if you look at the numerator and the numerator has a and the denominator has got a squared. So we can cancel one a which is in the numerator. So we are left with one a in the denominator. And here the numerator has got b squared and the denominator has got b. So we can cancel one b. So we are left with one b in the numerator. So we have 4b divided by 3a. So the answer for the above question, reducing 8ab squared 6a squared b in simplest form, we get 4b is to 3a.